Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix translate option not showing on Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document on my Google Docs and I'm going to show you guys how we can fix the translate option not showing. If we want to translate our document, we need to go to the tools and the translate option will appear right here. But as you can see guys, that there is a new translate option. And if we want to get the translate option, we need to change our Google Doc format. So as you can see guys here, my my document is in the Microsoft Word format. And if you want to download, if you want to get the translate option, we need to change the format to the Google Doc. And I'm just going to create new document and I'm going to copy and paste. I'm just going to copy all of the text here. We can click on Control C or right click and select copy, and then I'm going to go to my new Google Doc. Okay, and now the text has been copied to new document, and now this document has been changed into a new format, and I'm going to go to the tools. And as you can see guys, we got the translate document and we just need to click on translate document and you can choose the language. I'm just going to translate it to English and just click on translate. Okay. Alright, and this is the translation of my document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix translate option not showing on Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!